National Legal Services Day Lisingani Kunmariga Mari Lenana, Manipur Legal Services Authority na Free Legal Aid Awareness ki saruka moina, ngasi wakathon chatkre, wakathon adu Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na Chingmairong de Leiba, Manipur High Court Complex dage lamthaki, amadi Lamphel Court Complex fauba khongchadadu chatke, wakathon adu da Manipur High Court ki judges, judicial officers, bar gi member amadi masal sagi officer amasung staff sing na sarukyaki, empowering justice accessible legal aid for all haiba thimda pangthokhre tauram gamari lenana Manipur High Court ki Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na hai Meepum Khudingmak Achumba Wayel Phangnaba Lemna logi Mateng Louba Yai haiba si khangmina batangai fadi haiki ngasi ki khongchada si India amadi malem pumbada pangthoknabagum Manipur High Court na sinduna pangthokliba National Legal Services Day lisingani kunmari asida kanagumba miyoi amadi sotharaba kanglup ki miyoi singna Achumba Wayel Phangnaba honabada matik chaba amasung free legal aid ki khudong chaba piri haiba paujel piri masi constitutional rights ni haiba paudam puba khongchatni phongdokhre.
We want to provide free and competent legal aid, right? And this is the day on which it came into force. So we celebrate this day all over the country, in every state, in every city, in every district. The idea is to tell the people, particularly those who are consumers of justice and those who belong to disadvantaged sections as defined in the Act, that you have access to justice and that we will provide you free legal aid and competent legal aid. That's what it's all about. This is to remind people that they have a constitutional right to legal representation.